Hey, this is Andrew Rains with Apex Pro. We're here today to answer frequently asked questions, sponsored by Winding Road Racing. So Apex learns the limit based on your driving as the driver. Very simply put, the driver is the limitation. If you never show the device the actual limit of the tire where it begins to slide, what we would call oversteer or understeer, then it can't really know the absolute limit. But what's unique about our product and this software is that it uses your driving to build the model. So even if you get close to the limit somewhere, it can actually extrapolate and compare that good behavior tendency, that good driving from one corner to other corners on the track where that performance is relevant. Very simply put, you are the limitation as the driver. So try new things, experiment a little bit, do stuff differently in the braking zone, always be smooth with your inputs. But that's how Apex learns. It uses the sensors in the device to basically build that model based on your driving.